We know Hwlffordd are probably in a false position themselves, but to come and produce a performance like we did, especially with a young team, 8 players missing all in all, it was a really, really outstanding performance.
It's an unbelievable result. Like the gaffer said, last year we got battered up here, so we come out here to make a statement again. And the goal just left my foot and ended up in the back of the net.
First half was horrendous. Didn't see that coming, I'll be honest. The boys have been really good lately, training really well, but we just didn't turn up. Apart from the first 5 minutes where we had a couple of half chances, we just, as soon as they scored the first goal, they just dominated us. To be fair to Britain Ferry, I thought they were excellent. We had a hand in all 3 of their goals. Some really bad mistakes in the build-up, but still they finished them really well. But you perform like that first 45 minutes, you don't deserve to get anything out of the game.
We showed 2 sides of the game today. Obviously the first half was a bit more free-flowing, but we had to suffer second half. But what we did, we suffered as a team, we suffered as a group. Like you said, it got a bit edgy towards the last 5-10 minutes. Certain things we could have done better, but to get us over the line with 3 points. And I think that's our first back-to-back wins this season. So 6 points out of the last 6, 7 out of the last 9 against some really, really tough opposition in Penabont, Barry and Hwlffordd, puts us in a good place to go into the next phase.
When you're 3-0 down and performing the way we are, it's no better time really to throw the kids in and to see how they are. They train with us a lot, so we know what they're about, and they're two talented local boys. But again, it took us a long time before we actually give Will the ball and give him the opportunity to do the things he's good at. And when he runs at people, he's a threat. And Harry, a young striker, typical number 9 really, don't see many of those about these days. He knows where the back of the net is, and he's got his opportunity and stuck in the net. So I'm pleased for those two. Thought those two can come away with their heads held high tonight. But the rest of us need to, it's one to forget.
8 goals for you in 22 games. Is that your best return in the Welsh Prem?
It is my best return, but I'm not done yet. I need to get double figures. I'll be happy with double figures and a few more points.
We were hoping to come away tonight and be on 27 points, but it's easier saying that than actually doing it. And you look at Flint's result tonight at home to Bala. Met have got a point at Penabont and had a man sent off as well. So it's going to be a lot to play for in the bottom 6, and there's a long way to go yet before 7th is decided and 11th is decided. So we'll have to wait and see. We have to roll our sleeves up, and we know we're going to have to be at our best for the last 10 games to hopefully finish higher than we currently sit.